What is going on, y'all? Top of the morning to you, and welcome to day one of the 4,000 calorie 21-day challenge. All right, so I was thinking, what can I possibly do to add more chaos into my already chaotic world? I've got a newborn baby, I've got multiple businesses that I'm running, I've got employees, I've got all kinds of stuff going on, and the answer came to me as an epiphany. I can go back to doing daily vlogs. First of all, let's talk about the 4,000 calorie challenge from like a physical nutritional standpoint. I'm at about, my maintenance intake is probably somewhere around 3,000 to 3,200 calories. I'm in a building phase right now. I need to make the most of this building phase before I cut down for a competition. So what I want to do with the 4,000 calories is basically have a 21-day reset, for lack of a better word, where I bump up that and go into a pretty significant surplus for me, and basically ramp up my metabolic rates, give my body a surplus, probably put on a little bit of body fat in that time, but who knows what will happen. Basically want to ramp everything up so that I can kind of ensure that I'm at a surplus, then probably drop it back down to a more sustainable surplus for me, which will be around 3,200, 3,300, 3,500 calories. From a content creation standpoint, I'm motivated to do this because I want to get back into the habit of doing videos, daily videos. I've been doing a bunch of like AMA videos, a bunch of recipe videos, things of that nature, but I've always enjoyed the daily vlog style videos. It gives you all a glimpse into what's going on in our personal life, into our business life, and all of that stuff outside of the normal structured AMA talking head style videos. I've got a big project coming up later this year that's going to be just a ton of video work, and I feel like doing this is kind of a way to jumpstart my content creation and just get me back in the mindset and the habit of making daily videos will be very, very good and worth my while. Another thing is that Rigel, our baby boy, is almost 3 weeks old. And I feel like if I start vlogging for the next 21 days, daily vlogging for the next 21 days, we'll be able to get a glimpse into him growing up. We'll be able to get a glimpse of Crystal's recovery post-surgery. And we'll just kind of be able to see what that progression looks like and use this as almost like a photo album, a family photo album. I've always liked the vlogs. I'll oftentimes go back and look at old vlogs that I did when we were first starting the business or living in the warehouse or just going through a very difficult, challenging time. It kind of gives me some perspective. It gives me motivation. And honestly, I don't want to miss these chapters of Rigel's life. So being able to kind of go back and look at this footage years from now and kind of see what he was looking like and doing when he was 3, 4, 5 weeks old, I think will be pretty worthwhile. So that's another reason I want to get going with this daily vlog series. What is going on, y'all? I'm back just to give you a quick little update. Just got done working out, smashed legs. I'm doing legs twice a week. Monday is quad focused. Thursday is posterior chain, kind of hamstring glute focus. About to eat lunch, but I wanted to test my ketones and glucose beforehand, and I'm having some issue with my ketone monitor. It's not turning on. I put new batteries in there, so I must be doing something wrong. But I'm pretty sure my glucometer is working. So let's at least get a glucose test real quick. I'm gonna try and do this on a somewhat regular basis with this challenge. So, moment of truth, here we go. And my glucose is always a bit higher after training. It's been probably about an hour since I finished training. I'm at 85 milligrams per deciliter on the blood glucose. We don't know what the ketones are, so my apologies there. Vanessa hooked me up with one of these ketogenic girl ketone breath monitors. We can see what that's looking like just for fun. Turn that bad boy on. Wait 20 seconds. And then we'll see what's going on. Bryson's back there somewhere working on apparel and painting. Show you what he's up to after I get this reading. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to eat for lunch. I'm pretty sure it's going to be tenderloins. Pork tenderloins. Alright, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here we go. Alright, fat burning zone, according to that thing. So I'm burning fat, according to my breath ketones. Alright, let's go see what Bryson's up to. Let's go get something to eat. Look at this.
What's up?
What we got cooking up in here, man? You painting?
Yeah, I'm trying to make this all black like how you like it, you know. So.
And that vent is super loud.
It's so loud up here.
I like it though. That's what the before looks like. That's what the after looks like. Black out, man. I like it. I like it. We'll give you all a grand tour of the apparel section soon as well, but that thing is coming together over there. I'm digging it.
So Robert's also filming me on the camera.
What you filming?
So if you guys have ideas on that, I would love to know what you would like the videos to be on, regarding motherhood, babies, my workouts, postpartum, all the things. So let me know what you're thinking, and I will try to make videos on this.
You gonna make videos for this vlog too?
I'll be a part of them.
You'll be a part of them?
Yeah, even though I look real
You look
cute.
marvelous, babe. Are
Cute
we gonna
right
be
now.
featuring any special guests?
We have one special guest right over here. He's sleeping on the ground.
Sleeping on the ground.
I'm about to get a
Playpen?
playpen, but for now he's sleeping on a blanket on a little mat.
Rigel, you frowning right now? Look at that.
Aww.
You're a YouTube star already, buddy. Alright, let's go get something to eat. You hungry?
I am, but I need to keep working while he's sleeping.
Alright. Look at all this keto food going up under here.
Boy, get out of here.
Blasphemy right here. Blasphemy. What am I gonna eat? I'm gonna eat something keto. I'm gonna get me some. What Josiah got?
It's just healthier.
That looks pretty good though. Way better than y'all's meal. I got some butter. And I think Crystal packed me up some pork tenderloin. I'm about to chow down on this and we'll pick up from here. Alright y'all, just got done eating. I entered in all my macros. Had about 4 tablespoons of butter with that 17 ounces of pork tenderloin. That puts me at about 1,600 some odd calories today once I factor in the 8 tablespoons I had of heavy cream in my coffee. So I need a brick. We got Kevin back there working on some cold shipping. We got the chest freezer on lockdown here. We got some cold packs. What you think, Kevbo? Nice shirt, man.
Oh, do you like that?
You like that?
Sure.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, so I need to make up for some more macros. What flavor should I get, y'all? PB Cup. Alright. Woo! PB Cup. Here's Ellen working hard, and Bryson's just talking hard.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I pay him to talk.
As
Smack.
I package an order for Dan.
Where's Dan's bricks going?
They go into Connecticut.
Connecticut. Here, let me go. Let me
Oh,
see
no,
that.
no. Wow, I was reading court. No,
Okay,
Nevada.
don't give all his information away. Nevada?
Nevada, yeah.
All right, let me package this order here. This is all me. This is all my work right here. Woo! All right. I'm about to jump on a client call, so I'll check in with y'all in a bit. About to eat my PB Cup brick first, though. All right, testing. This is way better. I just took this little rinky-dink tripod off and put a much bigger tripod on the camera. So now, when I'm talking to you, I don't have to be crunched down like I was in the first few clips of this vlog. That said, I'm about to jump on some client work, knock these out, and then go home and start grilling some steaks. I gotta finish eating my keto brick though. Got some more of this to go. Alright y'all, so let me tell you something about training at the Keto Savage compound. At the Keto Savage compound, we train really hard. Train super hard. And Bryson, he talks really hard. I've been over there working on my clients all day, and Bryson, that's all I've been hearing over here in the gym. I hear grunting, I hear music, and I hear Bryson talking. Isn't that right, Bryson?
I'm over here doing calf raises and he's
You're
dogging.
doing calf raises. He's doing calf raises. Slacker. Alright, we are back at the house. I just got done figuring out some macros here. Let me see if I can show you this with the camera. Crystal's over there breastfeeding. How you doing there, babe? Woo, out of focus. Alright, so we got the AM drink with the heavy cream. Hopefully that's kind of focused there. And then we got meal 1, which is the butter and the pork tenderloins, and the keto brick, and then we have 2 servings of the Ketone IQ exogenous ketone ester, 70 calories per serving. That's why it's not showing anything there, because there's not really any fat, protein, or carbs. It's just the calories in the ketones themselves. 140 calories there. And then meal 2 is a whole bunch of meat. Let's go look at the meat real quick. Boom. All right. So we got a big ol' honkin' bone-in ribeye. That bad boy weighs 1 pound 5 ounces. And then these 2 steaks are about 6 ounces each. So 12 ounces there, plus this 1 pound 5 ounce guy. I'm obviously not going to eat the bone. So once you factor in all the weight, it winds up being about 20 ounces of meat. And I used just the macros for a T-bone on this, because this is grass-fed, grain-finished, but this is our cow, and it's pretty lean. So the macros for a T-bone are probably the closest to truly accurate. So I'm going to throw this on the grill and try and eat all of this. So I do a reverse sear on my steaks. I cook them at 225 in the Traeger until they get just shy of cooked. Then I pull them off, crank it up to 500 degrees. Then I throw them back on there to sear for 2 minutes each side. So that's what I'm about to do right now. All right, y'all. Last bite of the day, last bite of the ribeye with some butter. I'm stuffed. Let's talk about these macros after I finish my meal, my bite. All right. Today's totals are 4,195 calories, 306 grams of dietary fat, 15 grams of total carbs, and 291 grams of protein. So about a 1-to-1 ratio on the protein grams to fat grams, with mostly about 300 grams. That winds up yielding a 69.2% fat ratio. So 69.2% of my total daily calories are coming from dietary fat. So for all intents and purposes, you could basically say it's a 1-to-1 ratio of 300 grams of fat, 300 grams of protein, at about a 70% fat ratio. That's a lot of food, y'all. I'm trying to do this more or less carnivore-esque with the bricks, so meat and bricks basically. Main reason being that we just had the cow that I butchered, our cow that we bought, that Crystal's brother raised, and then I flew up there to Washington State and butchered. Her parents came in this past weekend, brought that cow, so we have a freezer full of beef right now. So I can save a ton of money this month on groceries by eating the beef that we already have and the keto bricks. So I'm kind of curious to see what doing 21 days of 4,000 calories consisting of predominantly beef and bricks will do for me. I'll still probably have some things from time to time. I'm not like a hardcore strict carnivore by any means. So I might have some vegetation at some point. I might have some nuts. Like, I'm not trying to limit that stuff, but the vast majority of my calories are going to be coming from simply beef and bricks. So we're going to see how that goes. That concludes today's day 1 of the 4,000 calorie 21 day challenge. I will see y'all for day 2.